Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to take out the SIM tray. That side. Okay, now you need to open the phone right down. You just put the pen set like this. Make sure you open it right down. This clip, just try to open the clip right down. Remove the back cover. Now you need to take out all the screw on top here. So many screw, make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, then you take out this panel, the cover on top here, you remove it, disconnect the battery. Okay, disconnect the LCD cable. This one, the last one, is the LCD cable. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. You try to open the battery. It's a bit hard, but try to open it. Just hold this clean rubber, open it, force to open it like this. It's a bit hard, but just open it. Do it slowly, and the rubber will come up and open. Okay, take out the battery. Now you need to remove this plastic a bit here. Okay, then you remove the LCD cable like this. Then you put out the heat machine for 10 to 15 minutes so the glue become weak. Then you take out the LCD. After you heat it for 15 minutes, now you need to remove the LCD. Just put the pen set inside like this. Okay, just take out the LCD. Okay, when you take out the LCD, make sure you take out this cover here. This one is very important, so you can put on the new LCD also. This one will cover the speaker, so the speaker will not get dirty. Okay, then you throw away the LCD. Now you need to clean all the glue right around the phone and remove all the small glass. Make sure you clean it right now. Make sure you clean it very clean before you put the new glue. After you clean it right around, now you need to put the new glue. Okay, before you put the the glue right around, you fix this LCD. You fix the speaker cover first. It's very important. Make sure you put it there first. This one can protect the speaker for dust, you know. Make sure you put this one first. Okay, now you need to put the glue right on. Be careful for the front camera. Don't put on top of the front camera. Just put it right on like this. Okay, don't be careful for the sensor. Don't put on top of the sensor. Just put close to the sensor like this. Okay, make sure you put the glue right around the phone. After I put the glue right around, now you need to put the LCD. You remove this plastic front of the camera so the camera become clear. Okay, you remove this plastic here also. Okay, so you take out this other one down here. Take out all this plastic. Be careful for the screen connector. Do it slowly. Okay, now you need to fix the new LCD. Make sure you pass the cable through this side. Okay, then you put the LCD very straight. Don't bend it. Okay, make sure the LCD is fixed properly. Okay, then you fix the connector. Make sure you fix the connector straight. Make sure you get the position well before you press the connector down. Don't press it down if you don't get the position well, so you don't spoil the connector. Okay, they make ways for the battery to rest. You just fold the cable like this. Just fold the connector cable. Okay, remove this plastic. Okay, then you fix the battery. You make sure you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down. Make sure this plastic is on top. Okay, you fix the plastic, close the battery like this, very nice. Okay, now you need to put back this cover on top. Then make sure you put all the screws you take out from this side. Okay, make sure you put all the screws, don't leave no screw behind, so many screws. Make sure you put all the screw. After you finish put all the screw, now you need to put the back cover. You close it, you start from the top like this. Make sure you close it right round. Okay, you put the SIM tray. Okay, if you have the rubber like this, you have to put the rubber there at least for 15 minutes so that the glue become dry, this LCD will fix properly. Make sure you put it 3 places. If you don't have the rubber, you can find another thing to just wrap it, or you hold it with your hand for a few minutes so that the glue become dry. Okay, now I need to on it and test the screen. It's on. I mean, it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.